In this video, I will walk you through on how to schedule video posts on Facebook, okay? So without taking much time, let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first step you need to take is to open your web browser. Here, I'll be using Google Chrome for this, okay? Visit this link, business.facebook.com slash latest slash forward slash composer, okay? I have the link in the description, all right? So the next step is to click on this add video. Select the source of your video. In this case, mine is saved in my laptop, so I will go with the option upload from desktop. Okay, so this opens a folder in my laptop, and it is the section we call the SSD hard drive. It's an external hard drive I connected to my PC because I moved some of my videos to it, so I want to pick what I want to upload from here. But in your own case, the video may be in the downloads folder or documents folder or pictures folder of your PC. So navigate to where the video you want to upload is saved, okay? Then after that, click on the video that you want to upload. So I want to go with this. Then after that, click on open. This will import the video here. Maybe I'll play it a little. All right, welcome to that. I'll be reviewing a product, okay? That is iPhone 11 Pro. Don't mind my face, I'm just waking up from sleep, okay? Okay, so after you upload the video, just hold on for everything to be uploaded, or maybe you start filling this section. Okay, so let's fill this section. I'll toggle on this because my Facebook account is linked to my Instagram. So once I post on Facebook, it is made live on Instagram. Okay. But in this case, I'm scheduling. So I have to place the title of the video here. Okay. Okay, so here I have the title. It says Erase iPhone 11 Pro 2025 full review. Okay, Control O, Control C to copy. Why I'm copying it is because I want to still paste the same title in the Instagram tab. Okay, so Control V for it to be pasted. I'll get back to Facebook tab. All right, so here I'm going to add the description of the product review I'm making in this video. All right. Okay, so here is the description of the video. It's very important, this description, because it will help you to rank in search engine. So don't play with that. Please add description to any video you're posting on Facebook. Is very important, okay? So that's that. So here, get down to this section. You can select any of these suggested frames to serve as your thumbnail. All right, you can click on this, you can click on this, you can click on any one. Or if you have a thumbnail you have designed already, you click on this upload image. All right, select upload image again. So this will open this section. Click on this custom file section and select all files. All right, so get to the thumbnail you designed already for this and then pick it from there. So let me choose one. I think this is it. iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, let me go this with this and see how it looks like. Okay. Okay, so that's beautiful. That's what I want to have. So this is my thumbnail in this case. Then get here and type some keywords based on the video. So let's say iPhone, iPhone review. Okay. Then your keywords should be in respect to the content of the video. Okay. iPhone 11. In this video, I talk about iPhone 11. So it's still another important keyword, all right? So I'll select it from here. And that's also these three keywords, which you can call tags, are okay for me in this case. Okay, here it reads 100%, meaning that this video has been fully uploaded on this Facebook, okay? This Facebook page. So scroll down and then you click on this next button. On this next page, you can see the copyright check section. It says copyrighted content was not dictated in your video. which shows that this is original video of mine. Nobody has uploaded it on Facebook before. Okay, so click on schedule. Okay, you can see here 5th of February has been chosen. They say schedule post needs to be shared between 20 minutes and 29 minutes from when you create them. Okay, so here I want to schedule this to be on the 13th of February. Today is 5th, so we'll select 13th. Okay, beautiful. Then here you can change the time if you're not comfortable with that. All right, so let me say that this should be released by 4 p.m. All right, so every, okay, 4 p.m. PM, time the PM. Good. All right. So that's it. So here, I want to schedule the same date on Instagram. All right. So it's going to be on 13th as well, 13th of February. And let it be the same 4 p.m. 04. Okay. 0. Here, I'll press P on my PC keyboard. All right. So we are good with setting up the date and the time. The next step is to click on schedule. So this will be scheduled, all right, for that date. So once it gets to that date, everything will go live. Whether you are connected to the internet or not, it will go live. I'll click on done. So this is how you schedule a burst on Facebook. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss technology which cuts across so many areas, including how to use some productivity software. So, subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you have to say. If it is helpful, tell me it is helpful. If it is something more, still drop that in the comment section. Watch this video here to learn everything or how to complete other tasks on social media platforms. Thank you and see you some other time.